My name is Michał Kustusz. I represent Growtime Company, manufacturer of high-standard mushroom farm equipment such as picking lorries, aluminum shelving, growing nets, tunnel covers, LED lamps, scales, and other. But we specialize in manufacturing efficient picking lorries for increasing picking efficiency and yield, profitability of farm as well. We've got two lines of picking lorries. The first one called Newton. They are hanged to the upper rail and movable along the shelving automatically, and lifting and lowering also via electric drive. The second one called Pascal. They are movable on the floor along the shelving also automatically, and lifting lowering by hydraulic system. This type of lorry is equipped with a little bit more features such as scale for weighing mushrooms integrated on the trolley shelf, adjustable seat up and down, forward, backward. If you are interested in such products, feel free to ask. See you soon. Thank you for your attention.